Okay. Look at this in my closet. Don't go out. Jesus, he's right there. See his ears? He's right next to my camera. Now I'm gonna try to lift him up and let him get away. This is the only guy I'm ever gonna let go away. Alright, you got one chance to get the fuck away, dude. Because you have a nice face. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright. Oh. Get the hell out. Get out. Get out. Get the fuck out. Where you go? Get out. Out. That's what the fuck I gotta do for fucking what?